What is the top speed of Ola electric scooter? What is its range on a full charge? Will it comes with a detachable battery pack or a fixed battery pack? We can answer all these questions. If we can understand two simple things, we can easily crack the mystery behind this. Firstly, Ola's competitor is Ather 450X electric scooter. And the second thing, Ola electric scooter is an improved version of the Etergo app scooter. Now, taking these two electric scooter references, let's start our video. So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. In this video, we will try to reveal some of the specifications of Ola electric scooter. Let's start with the top speed of Ola electric scooter. To start with, we need to have the reference of Ather electric scooters. If you see the screen, Ather has two variants. One is Ather 450X and the second one Ather 450 Plus. Ather 450X, the top speed is 90 km/h in the warp mode, and also the Plus can also reach a top speed of 90 km/h. Now coming to Ola electric scooter, Ola is also coming with two variants, Ola S1 and Ola S1 Pro. So two competitors for the two electric scooters from Ather. So what will be the top speed of Ola S1? So think like a competitor. Definitely you should give a powerful motor. We have a dialogue from a recent movie, powerful people comes from powerful places. In the same way, a powerful top speed comes with a powerful motor. In the same way, powerful electric scooter comes with powerful top speed. So Ola should go with a top speed of 100 km/h for its S1 model, because only the reason competition. So the other variant, which is the S1 Pro, we are expecting the top speed should be around 110 km to 120 km/h. So to get the powerful top speed, again we need a powerful motor. If you see the motor power of Ather 450X, it is 3.3 kW and a peak power of 6 kW. So what about Ola electric scooter? Definitely Ola to go with a powerful motor, and we are believing the basic variant, the S1, should go with a minimum motor power of 5 kW, and we are guessing it can vary up to 5.5 kW, and whereas the S1 Pro model, we are expecting the rated power will be 5.5 kW and goes up to 6 kW. And where we got this information, again the reference from Etergo app scooter, because Etergo has a capability of going up to 5 kW motor. So Ola can do that as well. The important point, it's about the battery capacity of these electric scooters. If you see Ather 450X, they have installed 2.9 kWh battery pack, whereas Ather 450 Plus, they have installed 2.4 kWh lithium-ion battery pack. So if you clearly calculate, the certified range of Ather 450X is 116 km, whereas the real range is 85 km. In the same way, Ather 450 Plus, the certified range is up to 100 km, whereas the real range is 70 km. On the other side, the competitor, Ola electric scooter, definitely should give better battery capacity. So we are guessing it should be a 4 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, because that information we can get from the recent leaked picture. It shows 87% remaining and an estimated range of 122 km, and that is S1 Pro model. If you do a simple calculation, 100% it should be 140 km, and again this is not going to be the certified range, it is going to be a real range. We are expecting that. So if it is the real range is 140 km, definitely the certified range for Ola S1 Pro model should be around 180 km, because Ather claimed 85 km of real range and certified range of 116 km. For a 3 kWh battery pack, they claim to have additional 30 km for the certified range. So we are predicting the battery capacity of Ola S1 Pro should be 4 kWh to 4.2 kWh with a range of 180 km, which is a certified range. We are predicting that, and the real range should be around 140 km. And the second variant, Ola S1, again Ola S1 should be a competitor for Ather 450 Plus variant. So for Ather 450 Plus and Ather 450X, the range difference is only 15 km. If you take that reference for S1 and S1 Pro, the range difference should be around 15 to 20 km. So Ola S1 to have a minimum range of up to 160 km to 165 km, and the battery capacity capacity should be 4 kilowatt hour battery pack. So these are the closest specifications we can predict from the leaked pictures of Ola electric scooter. And one more important point, it's about the fixed battery or the detachable battery pack. So definitely Ola should go with a fixed battery pack. Why? Because they have believed in the hypercharge network. For hypercharge network, I think no company will go for a detachable battery pack. So they will follow the fixed battery pack strategy. So finally, the most important point we have, it's the pricing of Ola electric scooter. I think most of the people pre-booked Ola electric scooter because Ola made some announcements earlier. Their electric scooter will be priced around 1 lakh rupees. And that is the reason they got a huge response of up to 1 lakh pre-bookings in just one day. Again, it is going to be a hectic task for Ola to design the pricing. Again, take the simple example. So for the pricing also, take the reference of Ather 450X. The ex-showroom price of Ather 450X without any subsidies is 1,88,000 rupees. After the subsidy, based on the 2.9 kilowatt hour battery pack, Ather got a subsidy of 43,500 rupees. If you minus that, Ather 450X ex-showroom price in Bengaluru is 1,44,500 rupees. Now coming to the pricing of Ola electric scooter, if they're going with the same pricing strategy, take for an example, if they go with 1.88 lakh rupees ex-showroom price without any subsidies, Ola to get 60,000 rupees of subsidy on the battery capacity, because they're going to use a 4 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery pack, which is expected. We are expecting they should use 4 kilowatt hour battery pack to the range of up to 160 kilometers. So the subsidy amount should be 60,000 rupees. Just minus that 60,000 rupees in the 1.88 lakh rupees, you will get the ex-showroom price of 1.28 lakh rupees if they go with the similar price tag of Ather 450X. But what about 1 lakh rupees ex-showroom price? To reach that 1 lakh rupees ex-showroom price, Ola has to go with an ex-showroom price of 1,60,000 rupees without any subsidies. If they can reach that mark, then only they will get a subsidy of 60,000 rupees. And if we minus that, we will get an ex-showroom price of 1 lakh rupees after subsidies. But again, this is going to be a $1 million question. What will be the strategy of Ola in terms of pricing? Will Ola introduce the S series? Again, there will be a twist in the story. Like Ather introduced the basic version S340, will Ola go with the basic variant of S series and change the complete strategy? And this is the only question that confuses the minds of the viewers. But we are very clear that Ola S1 and Ola S1 Pro are the competitors for Ather 450X and Ather 450 Plus, and these are the predicted prices for Ola S1 and Ola S1 Pro models. So finally, what is the expected delivery date of Ola electric scooters? And we are expecting the delivery date for Ola electric scooter by December 2021 or January 2022. So finally, viewers, what is your opinion about Ola action plan on its S1 and S1 Pro electric scooter pricing? For genuine information about electric vehicles, please subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel. Go green, go electric.